Hello, today I will be showing you how to use LabelMakr. Of course, I'm not the best at telling you what to do, and you don't have to listen to everything I say, but this is probably going to be the only tutorial about LabelMakr, so anyways, this is the README. It's on the main page, in case you couldn't find it. I couldn't find it, and it is nowhere aside from the main page, so if you were looking for that, you can go to, like, down here and find where it is. It's right here, in case you were wondering. And the version you're gonna need to install is this. You're gonna go over here, you're gonna download this. Anyways, after you do that, if you have an AMD, like me, you're gonna want set up CPU, or if you have a NVIDIA and you are able to, or have any sort of GPU, you can do a GPU setup bat. After everything installs, of course, because like dependencies and stuff, you can go up and press one bat and it should show this. So after, you're going to go to this, and you'll have something like this. It will have, okay, this isn't going to make sense unless I show you what. This is where you're going to go. This is a corpus replica, not the actual corpus photo, but this is going to be a good enough example. When you're doing speakers and stuff, you go down here, there's speakers and whatever. Let's say you have a speaker, KK, like the sound of a voice or something, like the emotion of a voice. That's what I think of it as, instead of like a speaker. It can be seen as like a speaker. They're usually called speakers, but I see them as like different emotions because it makes more sense. And you might be a little confused by that. So it's basically the name of the folder you're going to be using and the audio file you're going to be using. So let's say WAV file of this. You're going to go in here. Oh, WAV file. Ignore this right now, because this is after you do transcription. This will appear after transcription if you have done it correctly. It has not been done correctly. Let me explain why. So, you need a tool called this, and you're going to have to set this to 1,000, this to 1,000, don't ask, well, not 1,000, 100, and that's going to cut it into small little pieces, so that, it will look like this, and it needs to be below 30 seconds, so make sure everything's below 30 seconds, and when it is being processed, it should have multiple files being processed, not just one single file. And when you want to do alignments, that will work if you have set it up correctly. You have soft, you have to go in here, put the WAV file in here, start. Okay, wait, I have an example. This is an example of me doing normal. So, this is the normal file. I put it in the software. And let's say I have it like this. I'll put it in here, then I'll do start, and it will cut it up into under 30 seconds. It has to be under 30 seconds. And after, it will show this. And then you'll have the stuff you need. Then you need to do it. Make sure you have it in here. So, let's say you have it set up. I'm going to give you my example. This is what it should look like. Ooh, so interesting. Then you can like do transcribe, then you can do alignments successfully, probably. I don't know. I haven't tested this because I am redoing transcriptions because I was having an issue with that. So this is just a really basic tutorial, one that's not going to put a bunch of stuff in your mouth, but one that's going to be easy to understand. Have a good day.